Hi and welcome back to English Cafe. This is Mamta. In this quick lesson, you're going to learn the English names for 20 household cleaning tools. Listen and repeat. Broom, dustpan, mopping cloth, mop, wiper, duster or dusting cloth, spray bottle, scrubber, scrub sponge, dishwash soap, dishwash liquid, detergent powder or washing powder, detergent soap, detergent liquid, bucket, tub, brush, glove, vacuum cleaner, dustbin. That's all. And now it's time to test your understanding. Can you name these 9 tools you use to clean your house? Pause here. Name all the items and then move on. Next, can you use these 4 items you use every day for dishwashing? I'll give you 5 seconds for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get them? Next, can you name these 4 items you use to wash your clothes? I'll give you 5 seconds for this one too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got them. So, you just checked your progress. Did you get all the names correct? If you said yes, carry on. If you said no, please watch the video again, pause, understand, and practice. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Cafe for more vocabulary lessons. Happy learning!